Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tekco. My name is Salman Francis, and today we are going to take a look at question number 9 and question number 10 of our Red Hat Certified Engineering version 9 exam. So let's take a look what we have today. So question number 9 says create a vault, Ansible Vault to store password with the following conditions. File name is tekco-vault.yaml. Use vault to encrypt, decrypt the file with the password Linux. The file should contain a key, user pass, and dev pass, and their variables are set to Red Hat and Tekco respectively. Store the password in secret.yaml. So let's start. First of all, what we are going to do is we are going to create a file called secrets.yaml, secrets or secret.yaml, and the password is Linux as per our question here. The vault to encrypt, decrypt the file. So first thing is we are going to create a file secret.yaml and the password is Linux. This thing is done. Now we need to create a file called tekco-vault.yaml. So for this, we will use Ansible-vault and create. Okay, what we need to create is we need to create uh, the file is we already know, but we need to give the vault password. Vault password dash file is equals to secret.yaml, and file which we are interested in is tekco dash vault.yml. Okay, and here we need to give two key value pairs, and first is user underscore pass, and the value is Red Hat. And the second one is dev underscore pass, and the value is Tekco. So this is done. Okay, now if we cat the content of this file, Tekco-vault, we can see that it's encrypted because whenever you create a file with Vault, it will be by default, it will be encrypted. Okay, and we have already stored the password in YAML file. So this thing is done. So first question is completed, and if you want to view the file, you can use Ansible-vault view command and Tekco, and it will ask for the password. And if you provide it with the proper password, it will reveal the information. Okay, so few of the helpful commands are Ansible-vault-help, and it will give you this information. You would like to create the file, edit the file, decrypt the file, or whatever you want to do. So these are for some of the helpful commands. So this is question number 9. So our question number 9 is done. So for question number 10, we need to change the key value you created in secrets.yaml to Dragon without changing the encryption. So if we take a look at tekco.yaml, we can see that it's encrypted. And if we take a look at SHA-256 sum, we can see that the hash is at the end it's F88B, and the password is Linux. Okay, we need to use rekey. So to change the password, we would use Ansible-vault rekey, and the file is tekco.vault and dash dash vault dash password dash file is secret.yaml. So now it's asking for the new password. So I'm going to give it ABC123, ABC123. And now we can see that rekey is successful. How we can check this? We can check the SHA sum 256 sum of Tekco. You can see that now it's different. So this sum and this sum is different. So this means it has been successfully rekeyed. And if we take the cat or if we cat the content of this file, we will still see that it's encrypted. Perfect. And now let's try to decrypt the file. So, or view the file, Ansible-Vault view Tekco. And this time I'm going to give ABC123. And now we were successful in decrypting the file. So by the way, what's the difference between view and decrypting is it temporarily decrypt the file when we are viewing it. Once we are done, it decrypts the file back again. So if we again take the SHA hash 256 sum of this file, sorry about that, SHA 256 sum, not of secret, Tekco, we can see that the sum is, the SHA sum is same. So this is the end of question number 9 and question number 10. So we were successful in number 1. First question was to create an Ansible Vault file and store the password in the following condition. We created Tekco.yaml, Tekco-vault.yaml. We encrypted and decrypted it with the password of Linux, which we stored in Ansible like secret.yaml. And the file should contain, and we created two key value pairs, user pass and dev pass, and which was in Tekco-vault.yaml. And then question number 10 was change the key value we created in secrets.yaml to dragon, but we change it to ABC123, but you can change it to dragon as well. Like it's up to you. So guys, this is the solution of question 9 and 10. So hopefully I'll be back with question number 11 tomorrow. Till then, goodbye and God bless.